Normally when deaf people come and visit us and they decide to spend the night with us, and they are couples, then we give them somewhere to sleep. And me, I'm not deaf. I can hear, I can talk. My mother cannot hear, my father cannot hear. So sometimes I don't sleep at night. I'll be doing my one or two things, sometimes online. Sometimes I just want to read small or do some researches and stuff. Then I'll hear, then I'll hear the bass voice. Then I'll hear, and I'll be like, so this now? What have we brought upon ourselves? So is it a crime to allow visitors to come and stay with us? Because I'm the only person who can hear in the house. Good. Then I'll hear, then I'll hear, then I draw close to the room and I'll put my ears there. Then let me just check well. Trying to open the door. When they open the door, these people don't know here. Then I push my head inside like this. Hey! Atopa! Man, have you?